Are you ready to have fun and enjoy the good life? Because easy care living is what this place is all about. Hi, I'm Mary McTavish with Innovation Realty, and I'm so excited to show you this year-round waterfront home on picturesque Robertson Lake. Whether it's an early morning kayak, paddleboarding, tubing, water skiing, or just hanging out in your floaty chair, this is where you want to live. I promise we'll come back to the water, but right now, I really want to show you this beautiful home. Let's go. This home is better than new. It's practically been rebuilt from the basement up using top quality materials and amazing craftsmanship. You know those people who are never even a day late for an oil change? These people. These are the people you want to buy a home from. You can own with peace of mind, knowing everything's been done and it's been done well. Now let's go in and have a look around. Wow, now this is a great kitchen where family and friends share stories and laughter. Pass the charcuterie boards, please. It's a gorgeous granite countertop and a Blanco Cell granite undermount sink that was just installed in 2021. The appliances are newer, and I love the configuration of the countertops. This home enjoys so much natural sunlight. There are lots of windows in every direction, and all of these windows, 13 to be exact, were all replaced with thermal low E&A windows in May 2022. The flooring is a high-end Easy Care laminate with an upgraded underpad. There are no squeaks here that will get you caught stealing that midnight snack from the kitchen. The open concept living room is spacious and social, and there's a gas fireplace to cozy things up on the chilly evenings. And now, the real showstopper, and where you'll be spending a lot of time. This great 3-season sunroom that is your front row seat to magnificent sunsets and the beauty of the day. I love it here so much. I could say it's the $1 million view, but really, it's priceless. The basement family room is huge and can accommodate games tables, entertainment units, and so much more. There's a 3rd bedroom, plus a 3-piece bathroom, laundry, and great storage rooms. The basement was completely renovated in 2017, including purchasing the washer and dryer. And we're back. This is 89 feet of waterfront property. The upgrades to this home and property are so extensive, I can't put them all on the video, but I'd love to share them with you. So please contact me, and I'm happy to share this lengthy list of upgrades and features. My information will appear on the screen. Now, who's ready for a boat ride?